Okay, so you're what's called a God botherer, huh? Yeah, you believe in the ultimate function or ultimate intelligence being served. Okay, well, there's lots of arguments, and as I make the arguments, I'll give you the option to say, okay, I get it, or you don't get it. You need more. So choose A if you're okay, I get it, there's no God. And choose B if you don't get it and you still think there's a God. And then we'll just keep trying. So the first argument I would make to you is that if there was some intelligence in the universe, some mechanism, it would have to come from somewhere. There would have to be some creator of it. The idea of a forever intelligence just doesn't make any sense. It always was. And then one day it decided to start life on Earth. One day it decided to do that. And through what kind of process of evolution did it go through to get to that conclusion? What kind of thought process? I mean, everything we know about the mechanics and function of intelligence is the fact that it does this learning thing, and that there's a linearity to it in terms of knowledge acquisition. And if something was around for eternity, eternity works both ways, infinite forward, infinite backward. So why wouldn't it have already drawn this conclusion that making humans was a good idea an eternity ago? Why wasn't it done a long, long time ago? Why now? Come on, it doesn't make any sense. Gods don't answer the question. Okay, they don't resolve anything about our existence, because you're always going to have to ask the question, where did the God come from? Where did the intelligence come from? The explanation of the universe that says, look, things start off, they incrementally get simpler and smaller, incrementally simpler and smaller as you go down. They don't get more complicated, they get less complicated. They just get more complicated to see. But the function gets simpler, not more complicated. And the mechanisms, the controlling mechanisms, get more direct. It's just that there's, much of what makes matter hard to evaluate is the fact that there's so much of it. Just the photons going into your eyes right now is millions, billions, whatever, huge numbers. There's a huge mass of energy and matter swirling about you. Such a mass. I gotta just throw this in. An electron is to an atom is to an apple what an apple is to the earth. Startling. The amount of things going on in the smallest bits of matter. And it's this seed here, yeah, it's just apple to earth kind of stuff going on there. So anyway, if you're still unconvinced, press B. If you understand that, yes, this intelligent universe stuff is probably nonsense, then go to A and proceed along in a more rational conversation.